Welcome back to Primetime Sports Wednesday. Up first, the fastest man in the world so far this year, Kishane Thompson, sent a clear message that he was ready to crown himself in glory come Sunday as he looked as sharp as ever in a training session in Paris. Our reporter covering the games, Jordan Fort, was there.
Kishane Thompson didn't train Tuesday, and as if he was a secret weapon being primed for release, was kept away from the media glare at an undisclosed location prior to Wednesday's practice session in Paris. It presented the first opportunity for the public to get a glimpse of the man whose 9.77 seconds world lead has everyone gripped by anticipation.
Just behind where I'm standing, a confident Kishane Thompson let out loud shouts between each of his reps here at practice today.
Thompson was busy making his spikes do the talking as he pounded his powerful strides into the synthetic surface at the Complex Sportif de Ile-de-Van, but his coach, Stephen Francis, was sending messages of his own.
The opposition doesn't really matter. It's just a question of how fast he needs to go in a particular race.
A fair warning to world champion Noah Lyles, who incidentally arrived after the end of Thompson's training session. Whether Lyles waited in the background to avoid being startled by the imposing Thompson, or it was just a mere coincidence, perhaps this message from Francis will get back to him through a familiar source.
Well, I think you'll find that he plays mind games with those people who is faster than. So I don't think he will have that much opportunity this time around, but we'll see if his mind games works on people who have demonstrated that they are a lot faster than he is.
And what was being discussed between two of the most accomplished minds in athletics globally is anyone's guess. But who would bet against a duo like this when comparing notes? The men's 100 meters gets going on Saturday, August 3 at 4:55 a.m. Jamaica time, with the heats, with the final set for Sunday at 2:50 p.m. Jamaica time.
Reporting from the Complex Sportif de Ile-de-Van here in Paris, France, site of the games of the 33rd Olympiad, I'm Jordan Fort for TVJ Sports.